Hey, what's going on, you guys? It is Professor NFT here. So before we get started, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. All right, you guys. So a couple NFTs came out today. One that I was surprised about was RoboCox. They actually did better than Cybervillains, which I made a video about. Cybervillains did around, I think right now they're at 2.85 probably. Yep, I was correct. 2.85, which ain't bad. They're still doing good as well. But if you did mint RoboCox, congratulations. I do want to talk about the Solana price right now. It is $88. Predictions are saying that it will go more down, which means NFTs will be popping again. They'll get hot, you guys. Right now, as we see, a lot of stuff is on sale. Right now, I'm kind of bullish on your Koito. They're at, what are they at? They're at like 215. Nope, they're at 2 floor price. But they actually came out with their roadmap V2 today, where they have baby summoning. So if you're having your Yoko staked, is crucial. So I do see a pump and your Koito coming soon, and a lot of projects actually, just because it looks like a lot of stuff's on sale right now, you guys. So go ahead and check out other projects. Go on their Discord, do your research, you guys. There's a ton of NFTs on sale right now. So let's go ahead and get started to the upcoming NFTs I have for you guys today, which is Bohemia. All right, so Bohemia is pretty much an art fair in the Solana metaverse where Bohemians collaborate by creating NFT art exhibits. Owning one of these NFTs, you guys, is going to act as a proof of membership in one of the galleries of Bohemia. So the Bohemian Art Fair is home to the state of the art 3D galleries and is a place where communities, DAOs, and etc. come to curate exhibits together using their own NFTs. Members debate on how to construct the most original exhibition based on their own creativity. And then Bohemians are rewarded with their token Whoop for their participation in the art fair and can use their earnings through the Bohemian metaverse. So that's something cool as well. Let's go ahead and check out their utilities. So this project's really interesting to me, guys, because I like the idea. The idea seems cool, and of course they're coming out with staking as well. And I've been saying this the past videos. We are in the staking meta. So here is the roadmap. Right now we'll check out their art as well. So one, we already know it's a white paper, the Discord, etc. Two, Utopia. So this is after they launched the 5,000 Bohemians. They're going to open up the Bohemia DAO Discord, grand openings of the galleries of Bohemia, and then launching Bohemian Gallery ranking. And then they'll introduce, of course, the staking. And then 03, they're going to have, this is pretty cool, MetaMask Ethereum integrations. And also galleries accessible for non-holders. So that is a good thing, being able to access a Bohemian gallery as a non-holder. It should bring more attention to this project. And of course, partnerships with secondary NFT marketplaces, purchasing NFTs displayed at exhibitions, and then they'll come out with female Bohemians, introductions of avatars in Bohemia, and then their Renaissance. Bohemia Reborn as a complete virtual world, roam from gallery to gallery, side activities in Bohemia, and I meant gallery in the last sentence, my bad. See Bohemia's splendor in a way like never before. So here is the royalties will be 7% allocation, 50% to the DAO, 30% creators, 10% sweep the floor, 10% charity. And this is actually their artist, Gringo Grass. His Twitter doesn't really have much in it about himself. It's just pretty much about the NFT. But one other thing that actually brought my attention to this project, Okay. So before I tell you that thing, their mint date is 3 days away and supply is 5,000. So from one of the alpha groups I am in, supposedly their token here on famous Fox tokens, famous Fox federations where you buy your whitelist tokens, they're actually going for 2 SOL. So here's a tip for you guys. If you're new to the Solana universe, if the whitelist token looks good, if it doesn't look like a low price, if it doesn't look like a 0.01 Solana, it means that the project has potential. So supposedly they were selling at 2 SOL. I'm not sure, but go ahead, you guys, check out this project and let me know what you guys think of it. All right, quick before I end the video, there is one more project I do want to mention to you guys. It is, I'm actually not in the Discord, Hottie Monkeys. They're releasing tomorrow for 1.25 SOL. I went, of course, tip you guys, always check the whitelist tokens, check how much they're going for in the famous token market. So they're going for 0.4, which ain't bad. We'll see before mint how much they're going for. You always check that as well. That's how you could sort of estimate how a project will do, but it doesn't work all the time, you guys. Sometimes maybe it could go 0.01 and the project could blow up. You never know. In this NFT market, it's crazy. So expect the unexpected sometimes. But that's all for me, you guys. Go ahead, check these projects out, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, Professor NFT out.